All right. So some of y'all may have known me in the past. I've been on here a few times as the person, the PM for Open Site and for Site Up. So I've changed roles. That's now with Kevin Jackson. So I'm really focusing a lot of my time on the small to mid business users that Bentley has. So I want to introduce a company that some of you may or may not heard of. It's been around for a little over a year. It's called Virtuosity. This is a Bentley company that is really focused around small to mid firms. You know, a lot of y'all, the DOTs and your bigger consultants that are out there, uh, you've dealt with Bentley a little bit different, sometimes a lot different than a mid to small firm would. And Bentley listened to the users and understood this and created a company that is again focused on that small to mid business. It bundles and trains and does things completely different than the traditional Bentley company. So you're sort of going, why is he talking about this, right? Well, I'm bringing this up because there's a bit of movement, and it has been, and it's getting bigger and bigger, that a lot of the DOT projects are requiring a certain part of the business to be given to disadvantaged business enterprises. And for you to qualify for this, you typically will need to be a smaller company, right? There's money limitations. I think it's like you have to be worth less than 1 point something million, and there's a whole list of people that qualify for this, whether it's race, disability, veterans, different things, right? And y'all are given rules, and you have to deal with the rules. You have to set these ways up of getting them certified and everything going like that. So one of the things I did notice through talking to a few of the DOTs that have done this, one of the things they're trying to do, and it became an issue that some of the DBEs that are trying to get work with the DOTs are not qualified. They basically, some of them don't even know what open roads is. They don't really use any Bentley products. Not that they don't want to, they just haven't really been introduced, or maybe again, through past experiences with Bentley, they realize because they're the smaller firm, then they may, again, they may not sort of set up and qualify for that hand holding that they really need to make that transition. So the Virtuosity company has asked me to show y'all what they're going to call the DOT DBE discount. So to help these firms go from not supporting you or wanting to support you and get into that workflow that y'all have so that you can meet your requirements and they can give you the quality work they want, what they're going to do is offer a 25% discount. So again, Virtuosity, completely different. Think about it, it's actually e-commerce. You can actually just go on and buy stuff. You don't even have to talk to a salesperson if you don't want. But again, it's set for a different type of user base. So I want to come in and talk about and just show this, that you can pass this along. There'll be more information coming out in publications and other things that we're pushing this out for the next year. Again, to help your supply chain, your contractors and consultants be able to get up to speed, get the training, get the hand holding that you get. For example, they need that. We're going to give it to them through this company. So I just wanted to bring this up, let y'all know this is coming. If you want to pass this on to any of your consultants that are, again, are small to mid firms, they don't necessarily, to get the discount, they need to be a DBE. But if they're smaller firms, again, that maybe don't qualify for DBE, just a little bit bigger, they can probably get a lot of benefit from using that Virtuosity group, because again, it's not just small, it's mid-size as well. So, if you got a 50 to 100 person firm, probably make too much money to qualify for a DVE, but they can take advantages of having a little more of a hand-holding scenario that you would get by being a Virtuosity customer. And again, it's sort of thinking it almost like it's a reseller type thing, right? You get that more localized, personal feel that a user needs to be successful. So that was it. I just wanted to come in and just mention this for a few minutes again, just to let y'all know this is out there. Let your users, your consultants know, and we'll be reaching out to as much through different social events as well, trying to get this out there and let them know that they can go ahead and start getting trained to help support y'all.